Hi everyone, it's Matthew again. Today is 1st of August 2021, and today we'll be trading the bear market index. This is a new strategy for the August 2021, and we've logged into the trading platform and we are trading the touch no touch. So here, before we proceed, I'm going to be updating you guys on the TOUCHSCALPER. Both the 6.1 has been updated today, the version 6.1, and we've sent the update to all those who have previously purchased the boat. Here is you can see some of the results right here on binary.com interface and deriv interface. The boat works on both binary.com and deriv interface, as you can see right there. It's just 9.99 USD, and for those who haven't purchased this boat, all you have to do is to visit touchscalper.citywidetechnologies.com.ng to order the boats. You can make payment using Bitcoin, web money, perfect money, debit card, bank transfer, and other payment options. And the PIPSREAPER boat as well has been updated today, August 1st 2021, and here are the updates. We've sent it to all those who have previously purchased the boat. Just check your email. We've sent the boat to all those who have previously purchased the boat, the new updates. Just check your email. And for those who haven't purchased the boat, you can see some of the results right here. The boat is just 7.99 USD, and to order the boats, all you have to do is to visit www.pipsreaper.citywidetechnologies.com.ng. You can make payment using Bitcoin, web money, perfect money, bank transfer, debit card. Just visit the order page. And don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming strategies. Here again are the links. This is the link to order the PIPSREAPER boat. We're going to paste all this in the video description on YouTube. This is the link to order the TOUCHSCALPER boat. And for those who don't have a trading account, use this link to sign up for a free trading account to test all our strategies on demo before you go live. And these are the links to subscribe to our channels. This is the first channel, this is the second channel, and this is the third channel. Subscribe to all our channels for updates on our trading boats and latest strategies. So let's get back to the trading. So as stated earlier, we are using the smart trader and the deriv smart trader interface. So I'm going to close this. So all you have to do is to log into smarttrader.deriv.com and make sure you select the smart trader. So once you click on it, you go to the synthetic indices, you click on bear market, and you choose the you click on bear market. Then the trade type, you change this to touch no touch. You set the durations to 2 minutes. You set the barrier offset to plus 3.9428, that's plus 3.9428. Enter the amount you want to stake. I'm going to be changing this to 29. Enter the amount you want to stake. So what you are going to be doing, you're working with is this. If the one movement is pushing down and it's red, you can see the edges must be red before you click on purchase. If it's going down and the edge is red, you can see it's green right there. Once it's red, you are going to be clicking on the does not touch. You can see it's going down, but the edges is green, is red there, the edges is red there. So you are going to view this and wait. So this is the time count. This is the time count. Our barrier are not visible yet, so we have to wait. Okay, we still have 1 minute 17 seconds there. We have 33 seconds left. Our barriers are not yet visible. That's 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Okay. So you can see we won that trade there. We won that trade. We made 5.12 US.